A crypto proposal to be recognised as property makes way in the UK amid the recession. And so in this video, we're going to look at how the UK Law Commission proposes recognising crypto as property, aiming to modernise laws for digital assets and enhance legal clarity. Today's episode is sponsored by Cake Wallet, where you can send, receive, and even exchange your crypto right from within the wallet. Cake Wallet is open source and non-custodial, so you control your own private keys. Available today on iOS, macOS, Android, and Linux. And StealthEX, a privacy-centric crypto exchange which enables you to make crypto-to-crypto exchanges anonymously. Good evening, everybody, and another warm welcome back to Enter Crypto with me, Chris Kenyon. Now, in today's video, we're going to be looking at CoinGape's article, and this is about a crypto proposal set out by the Law Commission of England and Wales to basically recognise crypto as property. So, as always, let's just quickly dive straight into this article and then we'll quickly read through it and then we'll comment after. So, the Law Commission of England and Wales has taken a bold step forward with the publication of a consultation paper that attempts to include crypto assets into the legal domain as recognised forms of property. This is a very timely move, especially at a time when the UK economy has been declining much, to show the government's response to the changing digital environment and set a firm future for digital asset transactions. Due to the popularity of digital assets, including crypto and NFTs, in the global market, the Law Commission has accepted the need to amend existing property laws. The proposal of the Commission aims to include these digital entities in the legal concept of property, thus ensuring that they receive the same legal protections as other assets. This change is important to solve problems like insolvency, unauthorised interference, and transfer of digital assets that will provide a better legal position to the asset holders and creditors by necessity. In addition, the UK Law Commission has widened its horizon to look into the complexities of digital assets and electronic commercial documents in the sphere of private international law, and this part of the consultation, open until May the 16th, focuses on the treatment of the digital and decentralised nature of these assets under existing law. The initiative acknowledges of the specific challenges presented by digital assets, such as the geography of their location, which makes traditional legal processes, such as jurisdiction and enforcement, more complex. The legislative attempt is not only legal recognition, but rather a safe and trustworthy environment for digital transactions. Through resolving the legal status of digital assets, the UK seeks to improve investor trust and transaction security of assets and facilitate the development of more innovative financial products and services. Moreover, the step may substantially enhance the UK's status as a top digital economy, luring fintech firms and investors from all over the world. Now, this is a really interesting proposal. Whether it'll get through or not, who knows? Whether it'll get passed or we don't know. But there has been many people. Michael Saylor of MicroStrategy, he's the CEO of MicroStrategy. He's made an argument for a long time that Bitcoin is property. And I think he was one of the first ones to actually say this, because I think everyone just assumed it was a currency, because it's in the word cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was the first cryptocurrency, so everyone just assumes it's a digital currency. And really, Bitcoin is that, but it's also a payment network as well. It's really two things is Bitcoin. But he made the argument, and it was a very compelling argument, that crypto was actually property and that you own it. You own it just like you would own a property. And there are so many different characters. Crypto, if you just look at Bitcoin, it could be a property or seen as property. It could be seen as a currency, of sorts. You can even view it as a commodity like oil or gold because it's mined. It is everything and, and none of them, if you will, all at once. It is such a unusual asset, shall we say, even creation for the world to deal with, never mind governments. How governments, we are going to see the UK treating it as a property, then we're going to get Europe treating it as a currency, then we're going to get the US treating it as a security. It's going to be all over the place, and it's really, I think, going to divide, not divide in a negative way, but it's really going to set out proper jurisdictions where crypto is going to be loved, where it's going to be hated, where it's going to be tax friendly. Crypto people are going to be, have really friendly places to go, and I think the places, because obviously I believe crypto is the future, otherwise I wouldn't be doing this channel. I think we're going to see governments actually competing with each other for us, for citizens and for residents, for people to go there. I think they're going to start competing with each other for us and making it attractive for us to go there. Rather than what it's like now, where we all compete with each other to go and work in a country. If you want to go to the UK, you need a visa if you're not from there. Or if you want to go to the US for economical reasons, you want to work there, something like that, start a new life, you got to get a visa, you got to prove that you're not going to, that you want to work. And even then it's difficult to get in if you're from certain countries. If you were Iranian, say, and you wanted to get into the US, it's almost impossible to get in there, legally. So, and same for the UK and same for Europe. So actually I think this is, and this is why crypto is such a great invention, because I think eventually it's going to flip things on its head, and we're going to have governments actually working for us properly, because it's going to hold them accountable, and we're going to be, normal people are going to be in charge, because they're not in charge of the currency anymore. They don't have, we hold the currency, we have the power now. They don't have it anymore, because without money, if they can't control the money, they can't control anything. They can't control the military budget, so now the armies don't get paid. So, they can't control anything if they don't have control of the money. And so if we control the money, we're in power, not them. And they will have no alternative but to compete for us and to serve us. Which, ironically, is what they should be doing anyway. But it's a bit the other way around at the moment. The governments seem to get all the luxuries and that come with printing your own currency, and we're kind of left with, they basically print their way out of everything, and we're left paying the debt for them, which is obviously grossly unfair. And so that's the article for today, guys. Thank you for watching. Thank you for listening. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click on that notifications bell so that you don't miss out on any future updates. And I'll see you all tomorrow evening. Take care.